going to be showing you how to change your downstream O2 sensor on your Pontiac Vibe or Toyota Matrix. Now the one behind me is an 04, and this is a sensor I'm using. Now this one's a little bit different than most. It's going to be a little fun, so let's get started. Now we're on the passenger side of the car. First thing we're going to do is go here and grab this carpet, pull it down. See this? O2 sensor wire. So there's a little tab under here. Push, pull, release. Alright, now I'm under the passenger side. I got it slightly raised enough for me to get up under here and make it a little easier. Here's the O2 sensor, and you can see it goes straight right there. A little grommet here. Now we're going to remove that. And you can do it one of several ways. You use your O2 socket pretty close right here to the floorboard. So if you do that way, you're going to take a 1" and get on the end of it, or you can take a 7/8 and just go directly onto the sensor. What I'm going to do it this way. And this one is being a little stubborn. Alright, now the trick with this one, you can hear the car running. I let it warm up, and I was actually able to loosen it. So this one was a little tight. Now what I'm going to do is shut the car back off and finish taking that out. And of course, it goes without saying that when doing that, be careful because the exhaust gets hot. Now what I did was I actually took this and set it on here while it was running and hot, and I tapped it with a hammer to the best of my abilities under here while it was running in order to break it loose, until, like I said, it came loose, and a little bit of a pain, but we got it now. Just gonna take this out of there like so, and then push this grommet up, and then we're gonna pull it up through the top here in a second. Back up here. Pull it right up through here. And out the old one goes. Now the new one is going to carefully let it go through that hole a little bit and just sit there for now. Now this right here usually comes with it, and I waited until now to put it on. Just going to put a little bit around the threads. Didn't want to do that while trying to shove it through the firewall, but now's a good time. Now the only tricky part right here is this wire. It's usually got a lot of room to untwist that wire, but we'll worry about it when we get back topside. Make sure you get it tight. Don't over tighten it. just get it tight. There we go. Now I'm gonna basically undo this up top. So, pull this up and through, and unwinding it. Alright. Make sure the new grommet is nice and secure. It's got a little lip, need a catch. There we go. That is probably going to be the trickiest part to show. But there's a lip in the grommet that the firewall goes in between. It's there now. Then we come back here, plug it up like so. I'm going to pull a little of that slack out. Of course, I pull the grommet out while trying to do this. What I'm actually going to do is get that grommet back in place. Make sure it is in place underneath just right. Once the carpet's down, it shouldn't go nowhere, but I'm going to put a couple dabs of silicone around the edge, just make sure nothing doesn't go anywhere, because I don't want water coming up, getting on the carpet. I don't want the heat or any fumes coming up this way. Alright, pulled up a little bit more through the top there. Should have a little bit of play just in case anything moves. There it is. I'll probably put a little silicone here too, just to be on the safe side. Don't want nothing to move. Alright, so there it is. Downstream O2 sensor changed. Pretty easy, simple, straightforward. Only thing a little different about this one than other O2 sensors is the location of the plug, which is an odd location, to say the least. And it goes to show you, you can do this at home without spending a lot of money taking it somewhere else. Now, I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.